Hey friends, how are you? Happy November. I can't believe it's already November, which means it's time to start thinking about gift giving. So today I wanted to show you 4 ideas that are handmade and cute and practical. And I think they would also make fun crafty projects that you can do with your family during the holidays. I always feel that handmade gifts like these are much more precious than getting something off the shelf. So let's get started. I think a trinket dish is always a great idea. It's not only practical, but it also adds a beautiful touch to your home decor. You can design a trinket dish any way you like. And for mine, I decided to make a capybara onsen theme. For this project, I am using air-dry clay. It's a type of clay that dries hard without baking. I got this one from my local art store. I've only used it once, and I think it's quite a decent clay. You can also get other clay brands, such as Das, which is quite a common brand that I know many artists use. All you need is clay, a rolling pin, some water, and a surface to work on. Air-dry clay is such an adaptable and forgiving medium. I love how it's soft and easy to mold. It's great for kids too, and you can make all sorts of things with it, such as sculptures, dolls, beads, and much more. My advice would be to use small amounts of water to smooth and connect the clay. Don't add too much water because that will make the clay too soft. I let my clay dry for 2 nights, turning it over after the first night to allow the bottom to dry thoroughly. After drying, I painted it with Villaggio acrylic paint. You can use any acrylic paint brand that you have. I then allowed the paint to dry for a day, and as the final step, I glazed it with UV resin to give it a more durable and glossy finish. If you know a pet parent, they're gonna love this gift. A customized pet keychain to carry on their bag, or an ornament that they can hang on their Christmas tree. I am using polymer clay in this project. Polymer clay is made of a plastic polymer base, and you can bake it with a regular oven at home. When it hardens, it becomes very sturdy and durable, similar to plastic. After deciding on your design, start by warming the clay in your palms and knead it until it becomes soft and easy to work with. Here I'm cleaning the clay. You can find more tips on how to clean clay in the video linked above. I'm making a keychain of my dog Bailey, who has milk tea colored fur and big ears. I use a pasta machine to help me roll and blend a sheet of clay, but you can also use a rolling pin or even a pen to do the same thing. I chose a turquoise gradient sweater for Bailey to wear and a red scarf to go with it. And this one is for another friend who loves Miffy. Don't forget to put an eye pin in your charms as well. When you're done, gently place your creations on a baking sheet and bake them according to package directions. For mine, I baked them for 30 minutes at 120 degrees centigrade. After baking, I glazed them with UV resin to give them a protective layer that's hard and glossy. I also have a video on how to glaze polymer clay, linked above if you're interested. Now you can add a keychain, and there you go. You have your very own adorable accessory. You can also tie a string to your charm and hang them on your Christmas tree. Have you noticed the recent trend of jellycat plushie bag charms? They're so fluffy and adorable. This is a super easy project where you can make your own fluffy doll with a few simple materials. I have filmed a separate video with step-by-step instructions on how to make your own teddy bear, dog, or cat doll. I will link all of those below. This project takes under an hour to make and is so much more affordable than a jellycat. However, you will have to spend some time online to look for the style of clothes that you want for your doll. Because these dolls are quite delicate, I would strongly suggest getting a container keychain like this to keep it safe. This is a wonderful crafting project to do with your family. In this project, we will be making a coaster using punch needling technique. Begin by tracing over your design with tracing paper, and then transfer the design onto the monk's cloth. I recently went for a punch needle workshop for the first time, and I must say I really enjoyed how calming it was. It's an easy craft to learn, and you don't need very much to start. All you need is to buy a readily available punch needling kit, which comes with everything that you need. There are plenty of stores selling kits on Etsy. You can punch needle rugs, wall art, cushions, tote bags, and even mirrors. I'm also just a beginner, so I would suggest for you to watch a few YouTube tutorials on how to thread your needle and the basic techniques on punching. I will link the videos I found helpful below. To finish, I applied some glue on the back and then glued a felt fabric onto it. Then I trimmed the edges to make it look more tidy. And voila! I have my cute little coaster for a nice cup of tea. I hope this video has inspired you to make something special for your loved ones this season. If you like this video, please support my channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you for being here, and as always, happy making!